First of all, you can try a little bit faster. Eventually, when you feel comfortable, but to be able to do it faster, all these long passages are very uncomfortable because of this turn we talked in the scales. Remember? Can you look at my hand? So your thumb is kind of, you know, when you are riding your bike and imagine there is a rock and you're trying to get over that rock. It slows you down and feels very uncomfortable. You might not fall, but it still feels like something there. And that's how your thumb feels when you play this passage. It's like this big rock. So I want you just to... Can you try like that? Or this? It doesn't matter. Go to 5. Wait, it was good. So let's stop here. Look. And now look, straighten a little bit. And immediately, yes. Don't get stuck in this position. A little bit straighten out your fingers. Should be supported. 3. Where are we? We're here. Let's see here. Go to word 5 first. Yeah, 4. Another thing. And then what you're trying to do, because you're used to play thumb straight like that, you start going like this, but you don't need. We can play thumb even from this position. Look, it's super comfortable. Try not to put it this way, because this way you'll need to move your wrist like that. If you think of the bike ride, it's a part of the wheel. It's not a rock on the road. Okay? You know, wheels have spikes inside, so it should feel like rolling. Your fingers work a little bit. Wait, it was kind of in my hand. It was like no. Put it this way so your other fingers cover over. You're laying down. Stand up. Yes. Now. And then your hand doesn't have to make these turns. It has to feel like a little crowd going sideways, right? Not just who walks like that? We can think of. All right, let's try again. Now, you don't have to do it like that. You just roll on your fingers. Hover over. See? Do it by yourself. You did great. Strong fingers. Walk. Strong thumb. Good. That was really nice. Okay, and let's try the same here. And here, all also try to three. Very good. And not to forget this, you just think of harmonies. Twice C major, and then yes,
Almost to fall off.